Hi, Kim Kim.
Hi, Baba.
What are you doing?
I'm writing.
You're writing. Okay, let's see. Okay. Draw the line. What is this called?
Car.
A car. C
C
A
R.
R. Okay, draw. Excellent.
Fire truck.
No. Wait, what's this?
Wait, Nico.
Okay, that's a fire truck. Fire engine. Fire truck. F I R E.
F F.
F I R E. Okay, correct. Fire truck.
Woo!
What's this called?
I don't know.
It's not an airplane. It's a glider.
Write it.
G L I D E. Oh, you know. Correct.
Train.
Crane. Correct. Crane. C R A N E.
C.
Oh, okay. And next, what's this called?
Airplane.
Aeroplane. A I R P L A N E. Correct. And this what's it called?
Everything.
Ambulance. A M B U L A N C.
Where?
Where's A M B U? Done. Is all correct?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you.